Alright, hey everybody, it's Joe, Fancy People on Outdoors. Got done with the morning hunt. It's about 8:30. I didn't hear a thing all morning, but I do have turkey on camera coming between 11:30 and 12. So I was like, well, since I didn't hear anything, I'm going to come back to the truck and I'm going to cook myself some breakfast that I have. I've got some 2 eggs, English muffin, a slice of pepper jack cheese, and I got some chicken blueberry sausage I'm going to cook today. So I'm going to go ahead and get that out of my cooler and get that ready to go. And I got my Coleman stove I'm going to cook it on. So let me go ahead and get that out and bring it out, and then I'll bring you right back and we'll start cooking some breakfast. So stay tuned. Alright, so I got my GSI kit out here. I pumped up the stove. Let's see if this works a little bit better than it did yesterday. So far. There we go. Oh wow, okay, so I actually started off with a really good blue flame. Thank goodness. I've got my Pathfinder skillet here, so I'm just going to use that like I did yesterday. Got some butter flavored spray. I'm going to use this. Kind of spray this up a little bit. Alright. Let's see if we can get this going. It's got that nice blue. Yeah, it went. That's a lot better than what happened yesterday, so I'm really happy with that. So let's go ahead and get this down, and we'll get the frying pan on here. And these are the blueberry chicken sausages I had in my cooler. So got those in, and we'll get all this garbage in the garbage. We'll make sure that it gets all cleaned up. So I'm just going to use my Ozark Trail kind of spatula here and get these sausages cooking. Put the lid on. Get those heated up. I've got my egg crate here. Just gonna leave that on there for now, and we'll get this cooking. And then I just have an English muffin with some little pepper jack cheese. So I'll have that with my sausages and my 2 eggs. So let me go ahead and start cooking these up. And try to have some. Oh yeah, that looks great. I'll try to get these going and have some breakfast this morning. So let me bring you back when those sausages are done, and then we'll get the eggs in there and keep going. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's good. I got these good sausages right here. I'm just going to put this in this little Pathfinder plate right here. Yeah, I cooked them real good. Alright, let me see if I can get a little spray in there. Some more. There we go. And I'm going to drop these eggs in here. Got my little egg crate. Alright, 2 eggs. Alright. There you go. 1 egg. Alright. Give those to the animals. 2 eggs. Perfect. Alright. Get some more spray in here. Spray up these eggs. That's the one thing I haven't really done yet with this stainless steel skillet, is to really get it seasoned enough, so that it's non-stick. I know you can. I just haven't. So the caramelization from the sausage is going to make it stick a little bit, but that's all right. That's okay. We'll just break these eggs. We'll just get a nice patty of egg here. I'm going to put some cheese on it. Then I'll toast up that English muffin. And it's going to be awesome. So, yeah. There we go. Just get this egg cooked real quick. Then we'll slap all this cheese in there. Got my English muffin. We got this pepper jack cheese. English muffin. Yep, and that's what we're gonna have. Just some sausage and egg. Normally I'd probably do pork roll, but since it's just me out here today by myself, I'll just do this real quick and then try to go back and sit for another couple hours and see what happens. So, but that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, well, let me go ahead and finish up this egg. I'll drop the cheese in there. I'll bring it right back when we're all ready and done. Alright, so I just used my knife that came with my kit here to cut my English muffin. Get this back in its sheath. This, there we go, get it back in there, perfect. All right, let's get this cheese melted. I'm just gonna heat up this English muffin right here in the frying pan. Put this lid on it to help melt that cheese and heat that English muffin, and then we're gonna be ready to eat. Good. Put that on the sausage right there. See if we can just kind of heat this English muffin up like this. In the pan, we'll just have it soak up some of that goodness, and then we'll be ready to eat. So as soon as that's done, let me throw it on the plate and we'll bring you back and show you the final product. Alright everybody, so here's my egg with some pepper jack cheese and my chicken sausage and my English muffin. Got a little warmed up there, so I'm just going to go ahead and build myself a sandwich and have some of this egg and have some of this sausage right here. This is going to be a really good breakfast. Oh, look at that. Well, that's really good. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. Thanks everybody for watching, and hopefully we'll have better luck this afternoon, and we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.